Here we have for sale our September 2024 on a 74 plate. This is our Ford Transit Custom. It's a 320 model, which means it's got a 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. This one has got the 2.5 litre Duratec plug-in hybrid petrol engine. Of course, that is it's also got the electric battery in there as well for assistance. It is a 1-speed automatic gearbox in these vans, and this is a L1 short wheelbase limited factory double cab with our full signature styling package on it. What we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a limited PHEV double cab of this age. There's some really nice optional extras on this particular example as well, which I'll talk you through. We'll also have a really close look at the condition of this particular example, talk to you about the service history, and also what we've done to it during our preparation in readiness for sale, seeing as it's currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour. That includes things, of course, like the door handles, the bumpers, the mirrors, all come colour coded in the body colour. In this case, this is Artisan Red. It is a beautiful, deep, rich, almost candy metallic red. It is an absolutely stunning colour. We've had a couple of these in this colour, and I must say it is fast becoming one of my absolute favourites. I think it looks absolutely stunning. At the top of the rear barn doors then, this is all part of our signature styling package. We've got the gloss black rear spoiler there. Down below we've also got the full low-line aero kit, so that includes the lower lip splitter just there. We've got the carbon rear bumper protector. There's also a set of side skirts and some other nice items around the front, which I'll talk you through in a second. Of course, the alloy wheels as well. In terms of condition here, you can see it's in absolutely stunning order. We're in really nice sort of late evening sun here, and it is just looking absolutely gorgeous. I say the sun really reflects off this metallic fleck in the paintwork. I think it looks very, very smart indeed. So there's not a huge amount to fault on this. As you can see back here, it's looking really smart indeed. There's a tiny little mark I can just see there in the middle of the bumper, but just a very light little scratch, but nothing really to fault on this at all. You can also see then you get a reversing camera that comes as standard on the limited. This one has actually had it was not a dash cam as such because there's no dashboard here, but that is the rear dash cam of this this van that has been added. There's also a front dash cam on it as well. You can see just down to the left hand side here the little plug-in hybrid button just there. If we open up the rear doors, then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van just here. So these doors open right out, so they will just sort of lock into place there at 90 degrees, and with a good firm push they will open right out to 180 degrees. In the back of the van then we can see that this has been completely freshly carpet lined in the back of here. An absolutely stunning job. As you can see, these lovely inserts here on the sides, of course all the wheel arches there. Of course you've got full carpeted bulkhead there as well, full headlining in here with LED spotlights. Of course you've still got the LED light at the back there as well, which you can control on the switch just down to the sides. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. That really does set the back of the van off so well. You've got the plastic tray in the back here, nice and hard wearing. Of course it's been used, it's got 25,000 miles, but it's still in really, really good order, and you can keep this nice and clean. You can sweep that out as you like, but yeah, carpet lining looks absolutely fantastic in the back of here. You can see you've got full rear door coverage as well. I think that makes a big difference in the back of this van. If we shut the doors then, we'll continue to go around the outside of the van. So being a 74 plate, of course it has got still the balance of manufacturer's warranties. So as I mentioned right at the start of the video, this one was registered in September of 2024, so you've got the balance of manufacturer's warranty on this van with Ford and any dealer of course in the country until September of 2027. Looking here then down the passenger side of the vehicle, looking in these reflections here down the side, you can just see how clean and straight this is. This all looks to be absolutely original down the side of here as well. I don't know, this to me doesn't look like this has had any paint in its life. It all looks absolutely spot on down the side of here. Alloy wheels then, this has got a fantastic set of 20-inch Paradox alloy wheels. These are fully load rated with load rated tyres. look absolutely stunning, I think, when you compare that with the rest of the gloss black bits on here. Like I mentioned, that little rear splitter just there, the side skirts, the front splitter as well. And I think against this Artisan Red, it again just complements it very, very nicely. One thing which has been changed on this van is that it's got side opening windows. Now, these vans from factory don't actually come with side opening windows, but the previous owner of this, obviously, very particular with their vehicle, and you can see that with the condition and some of the other options on it. They actually opted then to have side opening windows fitted in the side of it, which I think is a really nice touch. I always found it a little bit odd on these when from factory they don't come with side opening windows, so that's a nice little touch, something a bit different on this van. Opening up that side loading door just there, of course you've got twin side loading doors being a factory double cab. You can see then the rear seats in the back of here, so you've got the full ISOFIX compatibility on the two outer seats just there. Again, nicely protected. It's got a full rubber overmats inside as well, which I always think is just a lovely sign that it has been well looked after. You can see inside as well here, you've got the two little USB-Cs just there, but yeah, generally speaking, lovely condition here. You've got the full carpet headlining being a factory double cab. You get the full door cards on the sides as well, but yeah, looking at the condition here, the steps all around looking very, very nice indeed. Have a look into the front then. This one is set up as a 6-seater, so dual passenger seating. You can flip these forward to give you some access to a bit more storage underneath of there. And you can see this is where you've got the charging cable there for your plug-in hybrid system. Into the centre then, nice little work tray which folds now. I'll come around to a bit more of the spec when we go around to the driver's side in just a second. But while I'm over here, I can also show you this other dash cam which is fitted. So you can see the cable just here, that connects to the rear. You can fit a little SD card slot in the side of there, and this is a 4K dash cam, and as I say, you've got the rear as well, so it really is giving you fantastic coverage. Would have been probably quite an expensive install, I would have thought at the time, nice little addition to this van. As I mentioned, you've got the roof bars there, and you've also got, if I look under the wing mirror here, you can see the camera here. This one has got 360-degree cameras, so when you're maneuvering the vehicle, it gives you this fantastic bird's eye view. So there's also a camera under the other wing mirror and also under the Ford badge just there as well, so it is giving you as a full 360-degree view. I think it just looks absolutely stunning, this colour against the gloss black elements. So you've got also the front canards which have been added, and then also the lower splitter at the bottom there. Of course, you get front parking sensors as standard. You get the Ford LED headlights, but having a look at the condition at the front, you're going to get a few stone chips, of course, as you will with any used vehicle, but generally speaking, looking very, very smart indeed. This is where the hatch is for your hybrid plug-in. So, nicely hidden away just there, and that can really help performance, and also it will give you some extra range. So you'll get roughly 25. I've had one of these vans for the last year. When you plug that in, you'll get about 25 miles of pure electric range. So if you've got a short commute, then you could basically run this van on electric only, and you're barely using any fuel. If you've got maybe a bit of if you do a bit of mixed mileage, then it can really help your MPG, and with some people getting 80 to 100 miles per gallon. Even if you ran it without plugging it in, you can just run it purely on the petrol engine. It won't, it will still completely allow you to use the vehicle. You've got, as I say, still a really good economy. I think you can get, approaching 40 miles per gallon without ever plugging the van in. Inside here then you can see lovely condition here in the front, of course, full carpet on the front here with this nice rubber over mat as well. Driver's seat is all in fantastic order. Inside here then you've got two full remote keys. If we jump inside, we'll start it up and we'll have a little look at some of the spec inside here. So you start it up there and the engine doesn't start, but the vehicle is all ready to go. So as I say, that is because initially it will try and move off just in pure electric, so you don't get an initial engine startup. But as I say, you can see it's ready, it's all good to go. So you've got this digital dashboard here in front of you, and you can customize this to how you want it to look here in front. Well, there we are. You can see miles per gallon there, 37.6 miles per gallon. That will be without charging the vehicle. So you can get really good miles per gallon out of these without, just purely on the petrol engine, which I think is very nice. And there we are. You can just, I don't know whether you'll hear that there, but the engine just kicks in there because we've been stationary for a minute there, and obviously we're not moving off, so it will then start up the engine. Into the centre then, you've got this 13-inch display screen in the centre here, which is just absolutely fantastic to use day to day. This one has been spec'd with the DAT Pack 6 with navigation, which gives you that 360-degree camera. Of course, it gives you the navigation on here as well. It also gives you, if you can see in the wing mirrors there, it gives you blind spot indicators. It also gives you adaptive cruise control, which you can see on the left hand side here. So using this button there, you can set the distance to the car in front, which is a very, very nice bit of spec. It gives you things like lane departure warnings and all that type of thing as well. But the main things really navigation, 360-degree cameras, and adaptive cruise, which I think is really, really nice indeed. Into the centre then, another optional extra on this one, it's got heated steering wheel. So that is a really lovely feature, which you don't see on that many of them. And you've got also heated front seats. That comes as standard, as does air conditioning, and also heated door mirrors as well. Nice little hidden cup holder just down here, and this is the wire running to the 12-volt system for your dash cam, so you can quickly unplug that if you so wanted to. It's not hardwired then into the battery or something, but on here, so you can flick the vehicle into reverse. I've left the rear door open, and you can set off, and away you go. So there we go. If mileage there, 25,228 miles. Of course, it's all idling correctly, no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. So just to summarize then, a September 2024 on a 74 plate Ford Transit customer with our full signature styling package is a 320 2.5 plug-in hybrid, petrol plug-in hybrid, L1 short wheelbase limited factory double cabin Artisan Red. Looks absolutely stunning with, as I say, all of these gloss black elements which have been added. And also really nice factory spec as well, with things like that DAT Pack 6 navigation with the let's say 360-degree cameras, sat nav, adaptive cruise control. Of course, really lovely professional carpet lining in the back of there, and all the signature styling package which you see on here as well. It does have previous Ford service history with the vehicle as well. That was done around 22 or 23,000 miles with a Ford main dealer. Regardless of that, Bridgend Van Centre, we've got our own van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care. So we put this vehicle right through there for a full multi-point health check to ensure it is all absolutely ready to drive away straight away. And I'm pleased to say it's got a clean bill of health, so it's all good to go. We can, of course, take cars or vans in part exchange. We can arrange funding at very competitive rates, whether it be for private individuals or for limited companies. So by all means, get in contact if you would like any funding options, and we can deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. If you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, description, and the photography of this van, and of course all the others that we have currently got advertised. Thank you very much for watching.